Hey, I'm Yvonne Boulevard. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Honest with y'all, I am not feeling this picture anymore. I'm gonna use some spackling that I purchased from the Dollar Tree a while back. Okay, so I like this so much better. I'll just let this sit and dry. So I moved my vases from this shelf over here to over here. Didn't mean to make y'all dizzy. So, or maybe I should switch out this vase with a different vase. This back over here because I kind of like it like right here. Yeah, I like this look better. Maybe I should trade this vase out with the white colored one. Let's see. Okay. Add a little different look to it. Okay, I'm loving that. And I like how the light hits my wall shelf. Yeah, I can work with this. Hey y'all, welcome back. I am Yvonne Boulevard. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so happy you decided to stop by. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm glad that you have come to view my YouTube video. Staying dehydrated. So far, I just been home all day. I do not feel like going outside. I enjoy home. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, I'm back. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. I'm gonna try to do a quick vlog today so that I can get this vlog up because we on our daily vlogging time crunch right here. And I don't want to be playing around. I just want to upload these daily vlogs and just kick them out on my YouTube channel daily. I don't know what it is, like the core changes over time. Like I feel like, okay, I don't like this look or that look. Let me change something out. Let me shop my home. Let me go to the auto store and buy like some spray paint and just repaint my furniture or something. Just give my home like a different type of feel. Now, I may repaint my console table or I may just buy a brand new console. I'm just at home switching out things, changing out things, just being creative, just making things look different a little bit. I seen a water bottle, the same size as this, with writing on it and everything for, I think, $15. I was like, wow. I got a good deal paying $1.25 for this water bottle, to be honest with you. And they had different colors. They had the blue and green, I think pink and green. Now, a lot of people that I work with, they always carry their water bottles to work. I feel like this. I don't want to take nothing to work except my handbag or my work bag. Now, water bottles, coffee mugs, things like this, I just love to keep at home. I don't know why. I just don't like taking nothing really to work. But I don't know. I may take this to work Friday. I might. But it's good to take your water bottle to work. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my water bottle to work Friday. We have filtered water at my job. So I'm going to get to work early. And I'm going to fill this water bottle up of mine with the filtered water at my job. Sometimes we don't want to go back to work. Sometimes we just want to be stay at home people and not have to get up and go to work. I have my days when I feel like that. Sometimes I'll be like, ooh, I'll go back to work Friday. I don't want to go back to work. But It's time to have better thinking habits, because sometimes how you think can drain your energy. And I've discovered that I used to drain my energy waking up in the morning on Friday and Saturday, like, oh, I don't want to go to work. I'd just rather stay home and not go to work. Like, I should have called in sick. Like, one time when I got to work, I was literally thinking, like, wow, I should have called off. I think waking up and feeling like, okay, oh, I got to go into work. Oh, I don't want to get out of bed. I think that's a habit of how you think about work. I probably don't make any sense, huh? I don't want to think like that no more. It's time to think positive. Nothing is perfect. Let me be honest with y'all. Nothing is perfect, okay? But it's time to stop thinking like that. I feel like, okay, I appreciate my job. I really like what I do because I love to help people who need my help. That's the reason why I became a certified nurse assistant. I actually love my job, to be honest with you. But I gotta break that habit of thinking like, oh, I don't want to go to work sometimes. No, that's a bad habit I have sometimes when I think, oh, I don't want to go to work. I'd rather just stay home. No, but I'm learning to be more positive about getting up on Friday and Saturday and going to work, because, for one, any given day, my job can announce to me that they don't need me anymore. Or they might say, you know what, you're fired. But in all, I'm so grateful that I have my job and I can get up on Fridays and Saturdays and go to work. And when I get to work, I am helping others and I'm smiling and others are smiling as well. And, you know, just have a positive day at work. And I really enjoy my job. But yeah, it's time to break that habit of, oh, I got to get up for work in the morning. I don't want to go to work. It's good to get up and go to work because you have something to do. Okay, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm off of work. And I'm going back to work Friday and Saturday. So what am I hooping and, you know, complaining about? Yes, I work 12-hour shifts. And sometimes 12-hour shifts can be draining. But in all, I'm working, I'm doing something positive, I'm getting up, and just being productive. Yeah. So I can pay my bills. You know, sometimes it's tough being a certified nurse assistant because I work long hours, 12-hour shifts. To most people, 12-hour shifts is a long day, okay? But to me, not really, because I've been working 12-hour shifts for a long time. And I used to work 16-hour shifts on Saturdays and Sundays. But anywho, what I'm trying to say is sometimes waking up knowing that you got to go to the hospital and you got to work this 16-hour shift or 12-hour shift, you might feel like, oh, I'm still tired. It's going to be a long day. No, you got to get up. You got to boost your confidence. You got to put on something positive, like motivating, encouraging words of the day. Meditate a little bit in the morning, think positive. Yes, I'm going to have a blessed day. Everyone around me is going to have a blessed day. Just put all this positivity in your mind, because you know you got to get up and you got to go to work. We got to stop thinking like negative, because that negativity go make you feel more tired. So we got to change the way that we think, because that negative thinking go really drain your energy and make you feel more tired. So when you got to do your vitals, you're going to kind of slow drag and be like, oh, I don't want to do my vitals. It's too many vitals. No, just do the vitals, get it done. But you got to change your habit of thinking and think more positive. One, by knowing, okay, yeah, I got to get up Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, but I'm only working 3 days a week. I know that it's 12-hour shifts, but the work is going to get done. And then after I finish completing my 3 days of work, I'll be off for 4 days or 3 days and I can relax. But first, you got to really know what your purpose is when you get up for work. What is your purpose? Now, I was watching this lady vlog and she had this cute pink Stanley cup. I've never purchased a Stanley cup before, but then I got to thinking, like, I would never pay $80 for a cup. I could buy a Stanley cup today, but I just feel like I can't do it. I mean, the cup is probably worth it, but I don't know. I just couldn't see myself buying a cup for $100. I wrote down some things in my monthly planner and I need to look over them for today. All my plans today are canceled, and sometimes it just bees like that. It's just one of those weeks. I need to be like this. I don't need to be like running around all day, you know? Because it can be tiring running around all day. So I'm staying still. I mean, I always stay still, but yeah. Okay, my tablet battery just went out, so yeah, I was gonna show y'all something on here at Disney Springs that I want to purchase, but the battery went out. Ooh, I know that I need to get to cooking before it gets too late, because it is approximately 3 p.m. and I do not want to be cooking at 6 p.m. So I'm gonna just get some cooking out of the way. Yeah, and I'm gonna take y'all into my kitchen with me. Come on, let's go. Y'all know my kitchen is little, so I don't have that much, you know, room in my kitchen to give y'all like a super big view of my kitchen. But let's go in my kitchen. y'all. The rice is good and flavorful. I can also mold the rice, like mold it into a little round ball shape. But the rice is so good. Rice is yummy, and I'm using long grain rice instead of jasmine rice. Is the final look of my spinach baked chicken. Looks so yummy. And I think I'm gonna end out this part of the vlog. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all next time in the next upload. Y'all have a blessed Wednesday evening, and I will talk to y'all later. Until then, take care. Bye.